Welcome to the exciting world of culinary exploration. In kitchens globally, the unassuming blender has become a cornerstone appliance. From luscious smoothies to hearty soups, zesty salsas to velvety sauces, these marvels have transformed our culinary experiences. Advancing technology has ushered in a new era of blenders, brimming with features to suit every need. Amidst a sea of choices, a handful rise above as the pinnacle of blending excellence, blending performance, longevity, and ingenuity seamlessly. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you. 1. Ninja BL610. Its price is $69. According to our reviews, it is best speed blender. The Ninja Professional Blender stands as a pinnacle of kitchen prowess, cloaked in sleek black and armed with formidable capabilities. Boasting 1,000 watts of professional power, it effortlessly conquers any culinary challenge, from pulverizing ice to blending the toughest of ingredients. Its lightweight design belies its strength, making it a versatile ally in the quest for culinary perfection. With a generous capacity of 72 fluid ounces, the blender pitcher is a veritable giant, capable of concocting ample servings of frozen drinks and creamy smoothies to satisfy the whole family. Equipped with total crushing technology, its blades slice through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables with unparalleled efficiency, transforming them into delectable creations in mere seconds. Cleanup is a breeze with the Ninja Professional Blender, as its BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe, ensuring that tidying up is just as effortless as the blending process itself. For those seeking culinary inspiration, the included recipe guide offers a plethora of drink and dish ideas, sparking creativity and innovation in the kitchen. With the Ninja Professional Blender, unleash your culinary prowess and elevate your creations to new heights. Pros: professional grade. Recipe inspiration. Cons: slightly heavy. Learning curve. Handle delicately. 2. Nutribullet NBR-0601. Its price is $49. According to our reviews, it is easy to handle blender. The original Nutribullet offers a seamless entry into a healthier lifestyle, providing a comprehensive solution for nutritious living. With its effortless functionality, this blender simplifies the process of incorporating essential nutrients into your diet. Equipped with 600 watts of power, it effortlessly transforms a plethora of ingredients, from vibrant fruits to leafy greens, into smooth, easily consumable blends packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Its user-friendly design ensures a hassle-free experience, featuring intuitive controls that require just a push, twist, and blend. Cleaning up is a breeze as well. The detachable blades can be easily rinsed with soap and water, and the cups are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Included in the package are essentials for daily use: a 600W motor base, extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book for endless inspiration. Built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, the Nutribullet prioritizes safety and reliability. With the original Nutribullet, nourishing your body has never been easier or more convenient. It's a versatile tool that empowers you to take control of your health journey with simplicity and efficacy. Pros: vital nutrients, efficient blending, compact size. Cons: limited capacity, not for heavy duty, plastic construction. 3. Ninja TB301. Its price is $149. According to our reviews, it is best powerful blender. Powerful and versatile, the 1800 peak watt motor base of the Ninja blender is engineered to tackle the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether it's crushing ice, pulverizing fruits, or blending veggies, this blender is up to the task. Equipped with Blend Sense technology, it's the smartest blender in the Ninja lineup, automatically adjusting speed and time to ensure consistently smooth results. The innovative dial intuitively communicates the blender's mode, enhancing the user experience for effortless operation. With its generous 72 ounces full-size pitcher, the blender is perfect for whipping up large batches of smoothies and frozen drinks, catering to the whole family's cravings with each blend. Thanks to the total crushing and chopping blade assembly, you can achieve perfectly crushed ice for your beverages, finely chopped veggies for soups, salsas, and more, all with precision and efficiency. For added convenience, the blender features single-touch preset programs, simplifying the process of chopping ingredients for recipes like salsa directly in the pitcher. Complete manual control is at your fingertips with variable speed settings, offering 10 different options to tailor your blends to perfection when using the full-sized pitcher. Additionally, the blender includes two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids, allowing you to blend and enjoy your favorite beverages on the go, making it the ultimate companion for busy lifestyles. Pros: efficient design, flexible settings, individual servings. Cons: sharp blades, difficult cleaning, potential rusting. 4. Vitamix 5200. Its price is $399. According to our reviews, it is best features blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize your culinary experience. With its sleek black and gray color scheme, it seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor. What sets it apart is its array of features aimed at making blending effortless and versatile. Equipped with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, this machine ensures optimal performance and longevity. Its 1380 watts of power, combined with hardened stainless steel blades, effortlessly pulverize even the toughest ingredients. Variable speed control with 10 speeds grants you precise control over texture, while the 64 fluid ounce container is perfect for both small and large batches. Whether you're whipping up a fresh smoothie or piping hot soup, the Vitamix delivers consistent results in minutes. And cleanup? A breeze. With its self-cleaning function, a drop of dish soap and warm water are all it takes to have it sparkling clean in 30 to 60 seconds. Pros: high wattage, strong blades, quick process. Cons: loud operation, storage challenge, budget stretch. 5. Hamilton Beach 58148A. Its price is $39. According to our reviews, it is best budget blender. Experience the pinnacle of blending prowess with the Hamilton Beach Stainless Steel Ice Saber Blades blender. Armed with a formidable 700 watts of peak blending power, this appliance is a force to be reckoned with. Its stainless steel Ice Saber blades effortlessly slice through ingredients, whether you're concocting silky smoothies, protein-packed shakes, or indulgent frozen drinks. Say goodbye to lumps and chunks thanks to the patented wave action system that ensures a consistently smooth blend by continuously circulating ingredients within the jar. Even the toughest foods stand no chance against its crushing capabilities. Designed with user convenience in mind, this blender features a spill-free spout for effortless pouring, simplifying serving tasks. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. With a generous 40-ounce capacity, you can whip up multiple servings in one go. Plus, with 12 blending functions accessible via an intuitive control panel, this blender offers unparalleled versatility. Pros: powerful blending, easy pouring, versatile functions. Cons: loud operation, limited capacity, bulky design. In conclusion, the top blenders that embody a fusion of power, precision, and innovation. Ideal for smoothie lovers, culinary experts, or anyone seeking efficiency in meal prep, these blenders surpass expectations with advanced features, durability, and sleek aesthetics. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.